but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, you didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't without you. And forever in a minute. That's on my night and ever since he got Milo in him, he got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Havana, when I did. Havana, when I did. He took me back to East LA.
Just graduated fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta with no numbers. Damn, fresh out East Atlanta. Pop like a traffic jam. Hey, I was occupied that girl like Sam. He go, hey, make it on me. Hey, try to take it on me. Get the beat on me. Try to take it on me. Got the bacon on me. This is the street, I'm making on me. Point blank, close range, that beat. If you go to million, that's me. I was getting more like baby.
Havana, when I did. Havana, when I did. Havana, when I did. He took me back to East LA.
Ooh.